We are the Child Cognition Lab, and our principal investigator is Dr. Rebecca Gomez.
The Ticker Child Cognition Lab and the Tweedy Language Development Lab are sister labs. The Tweedy Language Development Lab is directed by Dr. Luann Gerken. They study cognition and language in infants from ages 4 months old to 20 months and toddlers from 2 years old to 6 years old. Their studies are informative and fun, and they also take about 30 minutes or less to participate in.
My name is Cassandra, and I'm a senior research assistant in the Child Cognition Lab. Our lab investigates memory in the context of language acquisition and how sleep affects this process. We run a variety of studies with children 6.5 months old to 6 years old. Currently, we are only running studies on Zoom. I run our 2-year-old study, which looks at how children learn new words in previously developed semantic categories. This really just means that we teach a child 4 new words and we see if they're able to remember them the next day. My study focuses on a learning technique called fast mapping. The child sees an unfamiliar object paired with a familiar object, and we ask them, where's the vode, for example. The child has to first make a decision and choose the unfamiliar object. Then they also have to remember the new word that we taught them, vode, and quickly map it or fast map it onto the new object. One of our 4-year-old studies is currently investigating bilingualism, and our 2.5-year-old study is also investigating word learning. Many of these studies involve sleep or other delays.